Party food is great, but you always end up juggling too many things. Your plate, your cup, and you still need a hand to eat. You're lucky if you don't spill your whole plate. Forget about shaking hands or opening doors. Now there's a solution. Introducing the Drinkin' Plate. It's a plate and a drink holder in one. Now you can hold your drink and plate with just one hand. No more balancing your food and drink. It frees up an extra hand. Drinkin' Plates are great for formal gatherings, boating, camping, tailgate parties, and more. The Drinkin' Plate matches any party theme when you slide in a paper plate or go green and use it without one. Best of all, it's dishwasher safe. Call now and order 4 Drinkin' Plates for only $14.95. 888-71-PLATE. Never juggle your food and drink again. And if you call now, you'll get 2 more at no additional charge. That's 6 Drinkin' Plates for $14.95. 6 Drinkin' Plates for the price of 4, only $14.95. Call 888-71-PLATE.